Hello children. Today we are going to understand some very interesting and amazing fact about the moon. The moon revolves around the earth and it is the only natural satellite of the earth. It takes 27 days and 3 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. Do you know how far is the moon from the earth? It is 3,84,000 kilometers. The moon is about one-fourth of the size of the earth. But as it is closest to the earth, it looks big. Now, the moon does not have its own light, but it looks bright and shiny as it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. Now let us understand the surface of the moon. The surface of the moon is very rough and uneven. If you see the photographs of moon, you will find many high mountains and great plains. You can also see through telescope dark patches called lunar craters. They are formed because of rocks and meteorites crashed into the moon's surface. Is there any life on the moon? No, there is no life on the moon because the moon has no air, no water and no atmosphere, and no sound can be heard because sound waves need air to travel through. As there is no atmosphere, the temperature varies to its extreme. It is about 123 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 233 degrees Celsius during the night. In your lower classes, you must have learned that the first man to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. But one more person was there with him. He was Edwin Aldrin, and they were carried to the moon on 20th July 1969 by a spacecraft called Apollo 11. Let us understand some more interesting facts about the moon. The moon's gravitational pull. The moon gravitation is 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. As you know, the Earth exerts a gravitational force. Same way, the moon also exerts some gravitational force. For example, if we compare the weight on the Earth and on the moon, if you are 30 kg on the earth, your weight on the moon will be 30 divided by 6 is equals to 5 kg. The earth and the moon, they pull each other. Now let us know relationship between the moon and the tides. What are tides? Tides are the rhythmic rising and falling movements of ocean water. Why this happens? This happens because of the gravitational force of sun and moon, which combine together to pull the earth's water. But the moon pulls the water on the earth more than the sun. Types of tides. There are mainly two types of tides: high tides and low tides. High tides are caused when ocean water is attracted upwards by the moon's gravitational pull. Low tides. Low tides causes when ocean water is at its lowest level. It happens because the water at that time moves to the region of the high tides. Let us revise things we must remember. The moon is the nearest neighbor and the only natural satellite of the earth. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects sun's light. The moon's gravity is 1/6 of the earth's gravity. The moon's gravitational pull causes tides.